Okay, I'm sorry. So okay, I'm gonna open my fucking wine bags. Yes, this wine bags. So if I'm swearing, Swishy Roll, strawberry flavor, because it's my first time on YouTube, so yeah. But we're gonna unbox these bitches. Flower vase, blind bag. Very common. I'm sorry if you see me a little bit because my tablet is kinda funky. This is yellow, it's rare, green, epic, purple, legendary, mythic, pink, blue is Rhymastic. Here is the stamp blind bag, the animal sponge. Yeah. Common, rare, epic, and legendary, mythic. So yeah. So I'm gonna take. So wait. Just wait for 1 second. So okay, guys. It's gonna unbox the first thing. Unbox what I did first. So it's the stamp line bag. Yeah, so I wish I get this way because I love this one for you guys, for you. So here, let's open this with our bare hands. And what's this? Let's open that later. Get the other one in. Wait, we got the nice word. We got legendary. Oh my god, I'm using the legendary, so it's that. I'm sorry if you don't see it. Sorry, so wait. So one thing, okay. So first thing, let's open this fish. What is this? Oh my god. I don't want to brag. What even is this? Okay. Let's flower vase. Blind bag. I wish I can get blue. Climatic flower. Open this bad bitch too. So, what's the name? Comment down below if you want this or that. Alright. So also like and subscribe please. I just new here, so yeah. What the flip? Well, that's okay. Okay, this one. It's a puzzle. What? Oh my god, no. I'm so sorry. It's my little time. Yes. So if it's messy, guys, I'm sorry if it's messy. There and there. Okay, now let's do this zero thing. Oh my god, so, oh my god, it's, oh. You have to see it. Is this too much? Okay. What the fuck? So it's okay. With zeros. With zeros. I don't care if it's just a new brand of. Ah! So this is your. I don't know if you can eat it because I want to eat it. I like 50 what's over there. Bye guys. Thank you.